Patenting is too complicated. The whole system is way too much. I don't even know how to get started. Hey everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner and founder and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And I have heard this from even family members, people in the public that hear patents and just cringe. They're like, oh, that's litigation, that's expensive, it's too complicated, the bureaucracy, the patent office, and all of it. I'm just gonna move on with my project and start selling. Well, don't give up. Don't give up that easy. Don't let your dreams, unfortunately, get bombarded with competitors right away as soon as you go to market. Trust a professional. Hire a patent attorney to help you take care of all that complicated stuff. And believe me, it can be with the USPTO and the examiners and a lot of the current filing requirements. There's a lot of things to issues to handle, I should say. And the problems there are legal and complicated. The problem for you is that you think you have to do it as the inventor, as the founder, and it's not true. You should know about it, be educated, but you don't have to do the heavy lifting on your own. So look to hire a professional and get a patent attorney on your team. Listen to these three examples and hear the stories of each one of these. Jamie Siminoff, he's the founder of the Ring doorbell. He invented the Wi-Fi doorbell. This is probably back in the early 2010s. And he had no idea about intellectual property, what it meant. But he did know, he heard maybe from a father, or mentor, mother, sister, that he should go talk with a patent attorney. Thank goodness he did. He was able to lock down his first patent of many to come and helped secure a foothold in the competitive space of Wi-Fi doorbells. He ended up selling to Amazon, which we probably know, in 2018 for $1 billion. Huge win. Someone else who was not so sure, John Foley. John Foley is the founder of the Peloton stationary bicycle. Stationary bikes have been around for years, but he was the first one to put in this new software and combine the hardware and the software together. He relied on his IP counsel. He did not do things on his own. And by securing that foothold, that whole fence around his intellectual property, he was able to secure that competitive advantage and maintain momentum into the market. Last example here is a food-related product, Pat Brown with Impossible Foods. He had to work with his formula, the food science, and got it patented. Yes, you can patent food science and how it's made, the molecule and the plant-based burgers that we know sell all over the place in places like Burger King and their Impossible Whopper. So Brown did not understand patent law at first and relied on his intellectual property legal team, trusted others on the process, and got protection as he went forward and grew his company. So let that be an example to you to rely on those professionals to get the job done. And don't try to do the heavy lifting yourself. Don't think that you have to do this complicated process alone. We're here to help, and book a free discovery call today to find out just how. Go to boldpatents.com and schedule a free 15-minute discovery call to learn about our process. I'm JD Houvener, wishing you an awesome day. Go big, go bold.